There's another tool I want to add up. It's called Bunnyshell. It will allow you to manage your cloud infrastructure, and there are multiple cloud providers already integrated and many more to come. You can see it as a central hub where you can create virtual machine, deploy web servers and application. Everything is integrated, and you have a lot of tools and templates that you can reuse to deploy your infrastructure with performance and security built in. I will log in just to give you an overview. Again, I've already had a account set up. So there are multiple organizations that you can create here. I'll switch to the developer's account. First of all, you have to create the connection with your cloud providers. So I already have DigitalOcean connected, but there's a very intuitive way to generate your API key from within the DigitalOcean account. You will simply create a new personal token and then add it to Bunnyshell, and this will set up all the things for Bunnyshell to create droplets on DigitalOcean. Of course, you could go for AWS or Azure or Vultr and even Linode as a cloud provider. Most of the examples I will be doing are on DigitalOcean, so this is enough for me. Bunnyshell also comes with user management built in, so you can invite your teammates here to manage and to co-create with you the infrastructure for your applications. There's security built in, so every resource that you create through Bunnyshell will get an SSH key associated. You can also add your own keys to be managed with Bunnyshell. And there's plenty more of things that you can do at an organization level to get your account set up. Then for the main concepts, Bunnyshell comes with a lot of pre-built templates for applications. And you can see that's a very easy process to either start with an existing application, or you could create your own custom application that can be deployed on that cloud. Everything here comes with templates that will be deployed on your machine. So you simply need to add a technology that you want to use, the web server, select the cloud provider, then select the location, the operating system, and the appropriate size for your project. So let me do a simple WordPress application on Open Lightspeed. I already have the DigitalOcean cloud connected. I'm going for Frankfurt on an Ubuntu, and I'm using the smallest size available. I'll call it demo WordPress and hit create. This will start the process of building my machine on DigitalOcean. We might already see some action on this side while the machine gets created. Okay, so you see that Bunnyshell already started the process of creating the machine. This should get set up quite fast. and in the end it will continue with properly installing WordPress with a specific uh, username and its own credential for the database, so everything gets secured and contained for this specific application. In the same time, it will create a virtual machine where the application is being deployed. So this is the actual resources that you are using on the DigitalOcean end. The entire process took several minutes, but you have to imagine that everything is automated. So I would have probably spent several hours to install each, the programming language, PHP in this case, the database, the web server, but all the hard work was done by the power of the automation created by Bunnyshell. So now I have uh, a domain created where there's the WordPress installation already created by Bunnyshell. You have the application overview in this tab, where you'll find out the database credentials for this application, uh, application credentials. So for example, I could use this with an SCP tool, and connect with SVTP to that server. And this will give me access to the actual files that have been created, and notice that the config files with the proper setup are already imported. So Bunnyshell has created the install process for this WordPress and a virtual machine on DigitalOcean. And we will move along with configuring this installation.